Assalamualaikum class 3. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great at your homes. Before starting our today topic, we have to recall our previous one. So what is our previous topic? Raima, you tell me. In our last lesson, we have completed our exercise 2C. हमने लास्ट लेसन में अपनी एक्सरसाइज 2C को कंप्लीट किया था. Previous topic. Fill in the blanks. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स भी आप लोग कह सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी कह सकते हैं. देयर आर सम रूल्स ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. यस क्लास? यस. सो हु टेल मी व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट रूल ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन? अब सोहेल, यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट रूल ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन? Yes, the first rule of multiplication is always start multiplying the number from the right side or unit and ones place value number. Rule number 1 is जब भी हम two numbers को multiply करना start करते हैं तो हमेशा कहाँ से start करेंगे? From right side and from unit and ones place value number. Rule number 1, start multiplication. You start multiplying two or more digit numbers, then start multiplying the numbers from right hand side and from unit and ones place value number. Start multiplication from unit or ones place value. So what is rule number 2? Afsa, you tell me what is rule number 2? Good. Rule number 2 is when we multiply a number with 0. जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हमारा आंसर क्या होता है? Yes, और आंसर इज 0. These are the important points. That's why I am recalling these concepts again and again. ये points बहुत ही important हैं, खास है. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं 7 0 7, इसलिए मैं बार बार इन रूल्स को रिकॉल करती हूँ ताकि आपके ये रिटेंशन में चले जाएं और आपको ये कभी ना भूले कि अच्छा 7 0 0, 7 1 7, then add the carry. Okay class? Rule number 2, when multiply a number with 0, our answer is 0. Rule number 3, Ramisha, you tell me what is rule number 3? Rule number 3 is when we multiply a number with 1. जब हम किसी नंबर को 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं हमारा आंसर क्या होता है? Yes, right one. Haris, 1 multiplied with 6. Good. 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. Abdul Basit, 90 multiplied by 1. Yes, 90 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Arsalan, 69 multiplied by 0. Yes, 69 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now the number is two-digit number. First is 6 and second is 9. Both numbers are the place value of 9 is unit and ones, and the place value of 69 multiplied by 0. Place value of 9 is unit or ones. Place value of 6 is Ramin tens, and the number is 69. 69 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Yes. Rule number 3, multiply a number with 1. Our answer is 1, is number. Like 17 multiplied by 1. 17 multiplied by 1 is equal to, Kansa, you tell me 17 multiplied by 1 is equal to? Yes, 17. 17 को जब हम 1 के साथ या either what the number is it, जो भी नंबर हो उसको हम 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या आएगा? 17. I hope these 3 points will help you to solve the exercise of 2D. Now we are going to solve the question number 4, 5 and 6 in our today lesson, and we will learn how to multiply 2-digit number by 1-digit number, or 3-digit number by 1-digit number and 4-digit number with 1-digit number. इसका मतलब ये है कि हो सकता है we have 2-digit numbers हो और हम उसको 1-digit number के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें. हो सकता है हमारे पास 3-digit number हो और उसको हम 1-digit number के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें. Means multiplication of 3-digit numbers by 2-digit numbers, or multiplication of 3, 2 or 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers. Now example number 1. Today topic is multiplication. Topic is multiplication. Exercise 2D. Question number 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to solve question number 4, 5 and 6 in our today lesson. Question number 4, 5 and 6. These 3 questions are solved only by using one method. हम just simple एक method को use करेंगे और वही method question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 तीनों में use होगा. Now we are going to solve example number 1. Example number 1 is 10 ones. First write the place value of each digit. 2, 7 and 3. Talha, you tell me from where we have to start multiplying odd numbers. हमें अपने numbers को कहाँ से multiply करना start करना है? Yes, from right side and from ones or unit place value number. So what are the unit and ones place value number? Afan, you tell me what are the numbers of unit and ones place value? Good. The numbers are 7 and 3. So what is the answer of 7 multiplied by 3? आप 7 का टेबल 3 तक पढ़े या 3 का टेबल 7 तक पढ़े, आंसर आर सेम. 7 3s are, yes, 7 threes are 21. Now we have two-digit number. What we have to do? Think about it. Girls and boys, please think about it. Write the place values of each digit. Unit and ones, tens. Write 1 on the ones place value. Give carry 2 to the ones tens place value number. 2 plus 2. Can we add these two numbers? Girls, Fatma Arshad, you tell me, can we add these two numbers? 2 plus 2? No. Yes, what we have to do? Good. First, multiply these numbers 2 and 3. First, multiply 2 with 3. Then, add carry 2 into the answer. 3 2s are 6. 2 3s are and 3 2s are same. 2 का टेबल अगर आप 3 तक पढ़ते हैं तभी हमारा आंसर होगा सेम. अगर हम 3 का टेबल 2 तक पढ़ेंगे तो तभी हमारा आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? सेम. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 प्लस 2. कैरी हमेशा क्या होगा? प्लस. First multiply the numbers, then add the carry. 6 plus 2 is equal to? Good. 8. So the answer is 81. Now we are going to solve example number 2. Example number 2. Example number 2 is tens, ones or units. 24 multiplied by 4. What is rule number 1? Hamde, you tell me, what is rule number 1? Yes, rule number 1 is multiply the number of unit and ones place value. 4 multiplied by 4. So what is 4 multiplied by 4? Halim, you tell me. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. Zainab, which number we have to write on ones place value number and which number we have to give carry on tens place value number? Good. Write 6 on the ones place value number and give carry ones to the tens place value number. Now can we add these two numbers? 2 plus 1? No. Yes. Zishan, 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. First multiply the numbers, then add the carry into the answer. Now we are going to solve example number 3. Example number 3. 100, tens, ones, 4, 9 multiply by 8. Eight multiplied by 9. Yes, we can read the table of 9 or either 9 or 8. हम 9 का टेबल भी पढ़ सकते हैं, हम लोग 8 का टेबल भी पढ़ सकते हैं. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are Fatma, you tell me. Good. 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 36. 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. Now we have two digit number. First is 2 and second is 7. The place value of 2. What is the place value of 2? Yes, the place value of 2 is unit or ones. The place value of 7. The place value of 7 is tens. Now we have to write 2 on the unit and ones place value number. Give carry 7 to the tens place value number. Next we have 4 multiplied by 8 and 8 multiplied by 4. 4 8s are क्या होता है बच्चों, या 8 4s are क्या होगा? 32. 32 plus 7 plus 7 39. So now we are going to write 9 on the tens place value number and give carry 3 to the 100 place value number. Now we have no number on the 100 place value, so we will write 3. We will write 3 on the 100 place value number. I hope these 3 examples will help you to solve the assessment of page number 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to solve example number 4. Example number 4. Example number 4 is 100 tens ones 205 205 multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied by 5. What is our result? Here, what is our answer? Good. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 1 5 15. Which number we have to write on unit and ones place value? Yes, 5. We will write 5 on the unit and ones place value number and give carry ones to the tens place value number. Now we are going to multiply the tens place value number. 3 multiplied by 0. Yes, here we have to recall or rule number 2. So what is rule number 2? 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. जब भी हम किसी नंबर को 0 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, then we are multiplying the number with 0. Our answer is 0. Now 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 plus 1. ये नहीं है कि यहाँ पे 0 और कैरी को प्लस कर दिया 1. 3 multiplied by 1. No, यहाँ पर हमारे पास नंबर है 0. इट मीन 3 0 के साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई होगा, उसमें कैरी प्लस हो जाएगा. 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 plus 1. नोट 3 multiplied by 1 कि हम कैरी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. नो, कैरी सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमने ऐड करना है. Now 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Now we have another number on the 100 place value number. जो अब हम पहले एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व किया था उसमें हमारे पास 100 प्लेस वैल्यू में कोई भी नंबर नहीं था. अब हमारे पास नंबर है 2. 3 2s और हमारे पास कोई भी कैरी नहीं आया. इट मीन्स 3 multiplied by 2. 3 2s yes, 3 2s 6. So we will write 6 on the 100 place value number. I hope these 4 examples will help you to solve the assessment of question number 4, 5 and 6. If you find any difficulty, you can text me on Google Classroom or WhatsApp. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.